Hi! Welcome to the letter of the week! Can you guess what this letter is? Make a rock sign and turn it. It's a F. It's an F. Let's sing it. F says F. F says F. The letter F makes a sound F. Very well. Let's do it again. Ready? F says F. F says F. The letter F makes a sound F. Great! F. Let's get started. Letter F. Let's do our rocker sign again. I turn it. F. F. F for feather. There is the F. Letter F. Big F. And the small F. And there's the feather. Beautiful, beautiful feather. Okay, let's go through the words once. Letter F. F for fingers. Fingers. Flamingo. Flamingo. Frog. Frog. Funnel. Funnel. Fast. Fast. Fly. Fly. Foot. Foot. Friend. Friend. Fireworks. Fireworks. Folding clothes. Folding clothes. Fall down. Fall down. Flute. Flute. French fries. French fries. Family. Family. Farm. Farm. Fan. Fan. Fork. Fork. Fruit. Fruit. Floor. Floor. Ah, that's all the words. Fingers. Fingers. 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Now what can you do with your fingers? You can play with paint. And you can play the piano with these hands. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, next. Flamingo. Flamingos are big birds and they're naturally pink. How fantastic! They're beautiful. They're in their beautiful coat, beautiful feather. Okay, next. Frog. Rabbit. 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 Frogs. I have a friend here with us. Hello, hello. I am Froggie. Everybody say hi to Froggie. Hello, Froggie. Hi, hello, Rabbit. Rabbit. I like to jump. Hey, and I like to eat insects. Huh, there was a fly. Excuse me, there was a fly. Yum. Okay, well, nice to see you, Froggie. Nice to see you all too. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Froggie. Next. Funnel. What do you do with the funnels? You can place the funnel on top of your little container right here. Little bottle. Now you can fill the bottle without spilling all over. Isn't that cool? Okay, let's try it. Okay, now we're filling the bottle with these beads right here. With these beads right here. And it could be a little tricky with the tiny hole on top. It could be tricky. Ah, got a bucket right here. So let's fill it. It's very tricky to fill it this way. Oh! So that's why we need the funnel. Now a funnel comes in handy with the big entrance on top. You can load it without spilling all over the place. Wow! How nice! Whoa! Whoa, it's almost full. Oh, it's full now. Yeah, we did it. Great job. Let's do a high five together. High five. Boom. Good. All right, so these are called funnels. 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 Could go on top of my head like a little hat. Aha. Next. Fast. 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 Can you be fast? Whoa, I'm going really fast. That was fast, you guys. Now let's go slow. Ready, set, go. We're running like a sloth. Really slow. Just taking our time. And now we run fast. Because I can't hold it any longer. Ready, set, go. Wow! It's fun to run fast. Now this guy, he's riding the bike fast. He's riding the bike really fast. Look at his hair is flying up and his suit is flying also. Whoa! I can feel the wind that he's passing by so fast. Huh? Next. Fly. What was that? Yum! Oh, thank you, Froggie. You're welcome. You're welcome. Froggie got the fly for us. Next. Foot. Now this is Mr. Froggie's foot. Hi, this is my foot. This is my foot. And I have 2 feet. Feet. 1 foot, 2 feet. 1 foot, 2 feet. One more time. 1 foot, 2 feet. Can you say feet? Feet. Yeah. Next. Friend. Friend. Do you have any friends from school? And you play together. Great times with your friends. Next, fireworks. Pew, pew, pew. Boom, boom, boom. Whoa! Fireworks comes in different colors and shapes. They're beautiful in the night sky. And we celebrate the double 10th day with fireworks. The double 10th Taiwan National Day. Choo, choo, boom, boom, boom. Next, folding clothes. Folding clothes. Okay, I have a cloth right here. So you lay it flat. Let's fold this cloth. First, you take 2 corners of one side, lift it up, and the corners are meeting the other 2 corners. Okay, we're giving the corners a hug. A hug. Ooh, it's a nice hug. They nicely hugged. Very good. Now we turn it, and then we take the corners of one side and we fold. Now we give kisses to the other corners. Ready? Kiss. Oh, there. They kissed. Well done, kids. Fold down. Ouch! If the floor is wet or slippery, be careful when you walk. Walk slowly or you might fall down. Next, flute. Now, how do you play the flute? You hold it sideways. Can you say flute? Say flute, say flute, say... Ha! Flute! Let's see if we can make some sound out of this flute. Ready? How do you play? Let's try it again. Ready? Inhale. Whoa! Wow, beautiful sounds. Should we play a little more? Let's play high and loud. Ready? Whoa! So cool! Beautiful, beautiful instrument. Okay, next, French fries. Yum! I love to eat fries. Just like you, I bet. Next, family. Who is in your family? There is Grandpa, Grandma, Daddy, Mommy, sister, brother, and me. I am the baby. Wah, 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 wah. I'm the baby. Yes, we are a family. Next, a farm. What do you see on this farm? I see a cow, I see a duck, and I see a turkey, and I see some vegetables right there. Can we sing Oh MacDonald's together? Yes? Ready? Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere a quack quack. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great! Next, fruit. Fruit. Now, what is your favorite kind of fruit? What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is bananas. Bananas! I love to eat bananas. I can just peel it, peel it, peel it, peel it, and eat it. Yum! Delicious! And right here, we got orange, a pear, an apple, grapes, and bananas. These are called fruit. 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 Yes, great job. My letter F book. F for feather. Let's go. Fingers, fingers. Flamingo, flamingo. Frog, frog. Funnel, funnel. Fast, fast. Fly, fly. Foot, foot. Friend, friend. Fireworks, fireworks. Folding clothes, folding clothes. Fall down, fall down. Flute, flute. French fries, French fries. Family, family. Farm, farm. Fan, fan. Fork, fork. Fruit, fruit. Floor, floor. There! Thank you again. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.